Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to unbox the Knitcrate for August, and I'm filming this on the last day of August. I'm sorry but I still wanted to take the time to show it to you and share with you the colorway I have and tell you all about Knitcrate in case you're new to Knitcrate. So Knitcrate is a box, a yarn subscription for every month. You pay a certain amount of money depending on which membership Knitcrate, Artisan Knitcrate, Sock Crate you decide to subscribe to, and then you get yarn every month. So it's kind of like when you subscribe to a magazine, you pay for the every month for the magazine, and every month you get the magazine in your post. But this one is yarn, and I've had this for a year and a half. I've been working with Knitcrate yarn, and I've been receiving Knitcrates, and I enjoy every single skein. I don't think I've had any skeins, any yarn that I didn't like from Knitcrate. I don't always stick to the patterns that they suggest for the yarn. Mostly I use the yarn to create new patterns or to knit something that I already know how it goes, like the Kura shawl or what else? The Tegna sweater. I've knit that in like 3 or 4 different yarns from Knitcrate. This is the membership Knitcrate. It retails for $24.99 US, so you pay $24.99 every month, and you receive, we're going to see inside what we have for this month. Usually it's 2 skeins of yarn, some patterns. So yeah, this is my Knitcrate. It comes in this beautiful recyclable box, and you open it, and it's got beautiful tissue paper. I always save it. Inside the box here you can see it says, "I'm ready for my close-up. Snap a shot for a chance to win 3 free months of Knitcrate and post it to Ravelry, Instagram or Facebook using the hashtag #UnravelYourKnitcrate." So if you want a chance to win 3 free months of Knitcrate, then do that. But yeah, tissue paper. Ooh. Wow. Wow. This is just, the colorway is amazing. Wow. It's so soft. Oh, wow. Another amazing yarn from Knitology. This is in the house for Knitcrate, their own yarn. Knitology but Knitcrate. It's luxurious yarn usually, so you won't get any skeins of like acrylics or just plain cotton. Usually you get merino wool, alpaca, cashmere, yak, what else, silk. I think we had Blueface Leicester yarn before, which is British. There was linen silk blend. Oh, just amazing. This one, it feels like merino. Let's see. Yes, it is. So this is Knitology worsted merino. Colorway is called Kestrel. 100% superwash merino wool. Worsted weight 218 yards, 199 meters, and we have 2 skeins of 100 grams each. The suggested needle size is US 6 to 8 or 4 to 5 millimeters. Machine wash, delicate cycle, lay flat to dry. I do not machine wash any of my knits, no matter what I use to knit a garment or accessory or anything. I always hand wash them, and then I spin them in the washing machine to get the excess water, then I lay them flat. all Knitology yarns are made exclusively for Knitcrate. And we get 2 beautiful skeins. Wow. Then you get, I don't know what that is. We'll have a look in a second. You get the booklet. And usually the booklet, this is the yarn I've got here. The booklet gives you the patterns and also a sneak peek for the following month. So this is the sneak peek for September. It's called Prism and it's got a lot of colors in it. It's quite cool. There's a quilt. Now let's see at the other yarns that you could get. So this is the membership Knitcrate. This is the one we have, and they have 2 different colors. So they've got that green and then like a deep ruby red, and then this one that we have here, it looks more purpley, but it's actually more blue than purple, just a bit of purple in it. The sock Knitcrate, it's got this beautiful, I love this combination. It's yellows, oranges, pinks and reds. Then this amazing green, it's like an emerald green, and a purple over there. So if you have a sock crate membership, you'll get one of these, 1 skein. If you have a membership Knitcrate, you get 2 skeins of each. Oh, I love it. Birds of a feather flock together, and the same goes for Knitcrate members. This month we have Birds on the Brain with our theme Take Wing, a song of celebration for beautiful plumage. Don't know what that means. So the membership yarns are these ones. Kestrel means chill out. It's a striking burn of prey, has a coppery body and a beautiful, no, this one is Kestrel. This one is what? Yeah, no, this is Kestrel. We've taken it up a notch and focused on the tones of lapis and amethyst with a shock of copper in this colorway. This is the copper in the colorway. Just a bit here. There. The other one is European Robin and Bohemian Waxwing, the other bird, which is more like a greyish greeny colorway. I like it that they give you you know, the details about it. Each skein retails for $24 US, so you get 2 skeins for pretty much the price of 1, plus patterns and plus this extra, which we'll figure out what it is in a second. If you know, just pop a comment down below. The sock yarns, they retail for $24 US as well. And there's a raven, there's a, I'm not going to attempt. And then there's this bird, which I think is the prettiest. I like this the best. The patterns, let's look at the patterns. Oh, thank you Knitcrate for thinking of us, putting everything here without any revealing details. So you could crochet these leg warmers with this yarn. So you get a crochet pattern and a knit pattern, which is this one. I like this. And for socks, you can get a crochet sock pattern and a knitted sock pattern. I'm working on a pair of socks now. I can give you a sneak peek in this video, which are toe-up socks, and they don't look like this, but mine will look a bit like that. I don't have any yarn overs in my pattern though. What else can we find? So you've got the patterns, and they're usually row by row, really specific, easy to follow, both crochet and knitting patterns. And then the sneak peek of the following month. So yeah, that's what you get in this box. Now let's have a look. I think these might be just stickers. I think they're just Knitcrate stickers. Maybe just some special stickers, I don't know. They look like just stickers. I don't know what you could do with them. Probably put them on your phone or I don't know. But yeah, thank you Knitcrate. It's quite nice. This is the membership Knitcrate for August 2019. It's amazing, like I said. You get a lot of wool for the money you pay. It's amazing wool every month, hand dyed yarns, and I'm just there's nothing else I can say other than this is amazing. If you would like to get 20% off your first order, follow the link in the description down below and use coupon code TEO, TEO 20. That will give you 20% off your first order from Knitcrate. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. But like I promised, let me just show you a little bit of this yarn that I had from my Knitcrate a few months ago. I've made it into a cake. This one is a Knitology, I'm sure, as well. Yeah, Knitology. It was a cozy sock yarn. I only had one skein. It came one, I can't remember which month. It only came in one skein because it's more like a luxury yarn. Is superwash merino wool, nylon and 10% cashmere, and I'm using this to design a new pair of socks, and I'll show you the new pair of socks right here. I will have a video for these. These are toe-up socks, and I've started it with Judy's Magic Cast On, which I've never tried before, but I fell in love with it the minute I started these socks. And then we have this diagonal stitch to the left for the left sock. We will make on the sole is just plain because we don't want any ridges to walk on. And I just wanted to show you the way this this yarn knits. As you can see, the diagonal lines, they just self arrange themselves like that. And the only thing I'm a bit worried about is with my second sock, if I'll be able to make them the same. I don't know. We shall see if it works. But so far, I'm enjoying this yarn a lot. And yeah, don't remember to click that notification bell so you are announced when I upload new videos, because I have a new video coming up featuring these socks. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.